Welcome to this channel where we discover websites, unusual websites, fun websites, and even, you know, day-to-day websites that everybody uses that maybe you don't know about. Today we're talking about a site that's called spaceweather.com. Spaceweather.com is a very, very interesting website. If you're a little bit scientifically inclined and wonder about, the sun, the solar activity, maybe, when there's auroras or geomagnetic storms around Earth and so on. Spaceweather.com is kind of your weather station or weather website for what's happening with our sun and the Earth. And, in between that, there's stories that are sometimes relevant to the idea of space and so on. So they have what's up in space every day. So here you see the date, and this is what's happening today. So here you have asteroid non-story, you have the wild prominence, and with a picture of the sun and so on. You've got real-time space weather photo galleries that you can click and check. There's fantastic photos here, and I don't know how many times I actually clicked on some of these pictures and used them as my background wallpaper on my computer. Of course, you'll have all sorts of articles. Here is Midnight Sun versus Northern Lights, and so on. You always have pictures of, various things. Here is the International Space Station crossing the solar disk, and so on. You have, of course, always the All Sky Fireball Network, and below it, generally the different asteroids, and there's kind of a monitoring system here of all the fireballs that actually came into Earth. And so you have here their orbits and so on that are kind of checked back. You have the Earth asteroid encounters, where you see the list with dates of encounters and how far they are. LD means lunar distance, so by distance of lunar distance, so if it's like 5 lunar distance, it means it's 5 times the distance of the moon. There's a lot of information below. There are links for a lot of scientific websites, NOAA Space Weather, Atmospherics Optics. There's Solar Dynamics Observatory, there's Stereo, there's Solar and Heliospheric Observatory, and so on. So there's a lot of stuff here, and what's really cool is that not only do you have what's up in space, but you can actually go through the archives if you find it interesting, or if for some reason you know of solar events or auroras on a certain date, you can actually go through the archives. So say we go through August 2nd, 2005, and then you say view, and it actually gives you the exact same page as you would have viewed on that date, on that day, which is really nice also, because not only do you have the news of that day, but you have the exact look of the site as it was at that time in space. So it's really, really cool, because you can go really far back, check out all sorts of details about space weather from other periods. It's really, really nice. On the left side of the website, you have current conditions, including solar wind speed, X-ray solar flares. You have sunspots. You always have a picture of the sun and its sunspots every day. So it's always very, very updated. It's really nice. Sunspot numbers. You have spotlit days. You have the radio sun, the solar flux. You have what looks like the auroral oval, or how big the auroras are at the poles. It's really, really a very complete scientific website if you like that sort of thing. I've been enjoying this. If you're an AM radio operator, this is a fantastic site actually to look at, because it gives you the solar data and the solar flux, solar activity in real time pretty much, and it's very, very useful. Fantastic website, and you know what? If you are interested in science, this is one of the websites that are fantastic on the web. Spaceweather.com is the place to go. Don't forget it. And of course, if you're wondering how to go here, the website link will be in the description below the video. If you enjoy the web, enjoy learning about new websites every day, why not subscribe? You'll be informed when new videos are online. Maybe you'll find unusual or very interesting websites that you never knew existed before. Do you have a website? Maybe you can send us a link and we'll take a look at it and of course have a video about it. Maybe you have your own favorite website that you'd like to share with everybody. Why not? Let us know and we'll try to post that link also. Thanks you for watching.